Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best rice cooker you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best rice cooker on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which rice cooker are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Instant Pot Duo Electric Pressure Cooker. This is so easy to use, and it's the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. I've been making a lot of stews, and I'll saute the onions, carrots, and meat, then add everything else, seal it, and set it for 7 minutes on high pressure. I let it release naturally and have a perfectly cooked, tasty meal every time. This gives me enough for 4 or 5 servings. Electric pressure cooker, rice cooker, slow cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan and food warmer. With 13 Smart Touch customizable programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts and more on autopilot. With pressure cooking up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods or slow cooking for traditional grandma approved recipes. With fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides and dishwasher safe lid, enter pot, and accessories. Instant Pot is a smart electric pressure cooker designed by Canadians aiming to be safe, convenient and dependable. It speeds up cooking by 2 to 6 times using up to 70% less energy and, above all, produces nutritious healthy food in a convenient and consistent fashion. Instant Pot Duo is a 7-in-1 programmable cooker. It replaces 7 kitchen appliances as it has the functions of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker and warmer. Automatic keep warm holds the temperature of the food until you serve it. Instant Pot generates almost no noise and leaks no steam. It traps all the aromas in the food without heating up the kitchen. The slim body design has lid holders for both left and right-handed users. The brushed stainless steel exterior is fingerprint resistant. Its elegant and durable design makes it easy to clean and pleasurable to use for the years to come. Instant Pot Duo uses the latest technology with an embedded microprocessor, which monitors the pressure and temperature, keeps time and adjusts heating intensity. For details, let's watch more. Our second best rice cooker is Zojirushi NPHCC 10XH rice cooker. Fantastic appliance. I have mostly used it for 2 things. Brown rices like Lundberg Wild Blend and Black Japonica, and wild rice, and also steel cut oatmeal. For the brown rices, I found that precisely using the Zojirushi measuring cup, and brown rice water lines in the pot yielded excellent results. The timer function on the cooker is super simple to use. Everything cleans up easy, fast, and with no fuss. With rice or porridge, absolutely no crust or burning or sticking as was the norm in my previous rice cooker. I'm very happy with the purchase of this product. With automatic keep warm and extended keep warm keeps rice at the perfect serving temperature. Superior induction heating technology efficiently provides high heat and prepares flawless rice every time. Multi-menu cooking functions include settings for white rice that is regular, softer or harder, jasmine white rice, mixed rice, sushi rice, porridge, sweet rice, brown rice, GABA brown rice and quick cooking. The clear coated stainless steel exterior fits any kitchen decor and makes cleanup a snap. The triple heater generates heat all around for even heating. Includes black thick spherical inner cooking pan, easy to read and use orange LCD control panel with clock and timer. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Aroma 994SB rice cooker. The timer comes on at the last 10 or so minutes depending on what's cooking. I have made white rice and steamed veggies. I have cooked risotto and it came out perfect. It has been easy to clean. Quick rice function is great if you want to save a few minutes. Enjoy perfectly cooked brown or white rice, quinoa, bulgur, farro and more at the press of a button. Easy to use, programmable digital controls with automatic keep warm mode, rice, oatmeal, risotto, steam, slow cook, delay timer functions. Perfect for delicious soups, stews and more. Included steam tray for preparing meat and or veggies while grains cook below. Inner pot, serving spatula, rice measuring cup, and removable steam tray are all dishwasher safe. This cooker has specialized functions for almost anything that you want to cook up for dinner. The provided steam tray and steam function allows for healthy steaming of meats and vegetables even as rice cooks below. With the slow cook function, your rice cooker transforms into a 2-quart slow cooker, furthering its use as a meal-making powerhouse. The new Aroma 8-cup cooked digital rice and grain cooker, ARC994SB, is designed to cook a large variety of dishes that the entire family will love. Its compact 8-cup capacity can prepare one-pot meals, simple sides, and everything in between. This rice cooker includes a non-stick inner pot, rice measuring cup, a plastic rice spatula and a steam tray. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Black & Decker RC506 rice cooker. Makes cooking rice so much easier. Makes my nightly dinner prep so much easier and saves me so much time. Easy cleanup or quickly to put in fridge and plenty for leftovers. Easy to scrap out leftovers if made correctly. Prepare anywhere from 1 to 6 cups of cooked rice, great for one large meal or to save as leftovers. The rice stays ready for serving. The unit automatically switches to the keep warm function after cooking is complete. The non-stick cooking bowl is completely removable for easy dishwasher cleanup. Different colored lights show when the unit is cooking rice or keeping it warm. The rice stays ready for serving. The rice cooker automatically switches to the keep warm function after cooking is complete. Dinner is easier with the Black & Decker 6-cup electric rice cooker. Cooking takes just 20 to 30 minutes, and the unit keeps the delicious, fluffy rice ready to serve long after cooking is complete with an automatic keep warm function. Use it as a food steamer, too. The included steaming basket lets you prepare healthy meals with vegetables, fish, and more. Cleanup is a cinch with the dishwasher safe, non-stick rice pot and tempered glass lid. Plus, you can use the electric cooker to prepare soups, stews, and even oatmeal. With a 1 to 6 cup capacity, this electric rice cooker is great for small and large servings. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best rice cooker is Sistema Microwave Rice Cooker. This product is pretty great. I love how easy this is to use and how easy it is to clean. I put in 1 cup of white rice and 2 cups of water, and microwave it for 15 minutes. It comes out consistent every time. I've cooked rice on the stove and used an electronic rice cooker, and I prefer this microwave one to both. Unique vented lid steams food to keep in moisture, flavor, and texture. Easy lift tabs hold less heat than the container, so hands stay safe. Freezer safe and top rack dishwasher safe. A variety of containers to easily make an entire meal. The Sistema Microwave Collection Rice Cooker is conveniently designed to cook rice, polenta, and couscous in the microwave. The rice steamer includes a pressure chamber plate that allows any overflow to be collected and then drained back into the base chamber. It also comes with a lid with cool to touch, easy lift tabs, and a non-stick rice spoon. Made from 100% virgin plastic, this BPA and phthalate-free microwave rice steamer is dishwasher safe when placed on the top rack, microwave safe with the vent open, and safe for storing in fridges and freezers. Let's watch more.